My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chowrangi High School. My training provider name is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Today's topic is introduction about microwave oven repairing and maintenance. Microwave as a source of energy and microwave oven composition. First, we will discuss introduction about microwave oven repairing and maintenance. In the past, cooking food was a tough task for human beings. At that time, sources of heat were limited, such as wood, coal, etc. With the introduction of new technologies, cooking food became easier and fast. Today, we can cook easily by using a microwave oven. For heating food products, we just push a button. In this video, we are going to understand the need. Next topic is microwave as a source of energy. These days, high-tech devices are integral part of our daily life. One of the high-tech cooking device is the microwave oven. Microwave energy is a natural phenomenon and exists ever since the beginning of the universe. Today, microwave oven utilize this form of energy. It converts the electrical energy into heat. In microwave oven, a part known as magnetron is used, which utilize the electrical energy to produce microwaves into the cooking cavity of the oven. Microwaves have large amount of heat carrying properties. This heat will evenly cook the food. Third topic is microwave oven composition. In general, microwave oven consists of three sections: A. Heating room, B. Microwave source, C. Control panel. Now we will discuss these three topics. First, heating room. It is composed of cavity combination, turntable system and fire door. B. Microwave source. It is mainly composed of magnetron, transformer, high voltage capacitor and high voltage diode. And C. Control panel. It is composed of timer, power selector and different operating buttons. Major external parts of microwave oven are handle, door, turntable, control panel, cooking chamber, digital display. Major internal parts of microwave oven are magnetron, thermostat, input power supply, high voltage transformer, high voltage capacitor, relay, printed circuit board, fuse and cooling fan. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.